I let Jens out to fly around the room, and what usually happens is this. He ends up sort of literally lying down on the top of his cage, or on the top of one of those bits of cuttlefish bone, you know, where he can just sort of roll off when he actually loses consciousness, because he goes to sleep, does Jens, like this. His feet are tucked up behind his sort of abdomen, so to speak. They're not on the bottom of the cage. And he just sort of rolls around. Occasionally when he gets really tired, you'll see him sort of flop to one side. He's quite far gone now, actually, because if he wasn't, he'd probably be waking up looking around at the sound of me speaking like this, but there we are. Makes for quite a funny picture. So I generally tend to leave him out all night, because he just he doesn't fly around. He just sits down and goes to sleep on the top of the cage there, or wherever he happens to land, in fact.